Nakasuway ba mo na gisuklan niya yung kaugalingon and then nakigsambagay ka sa mong kaugalingon and then naining daog nilang duha pero wala ka kabalo kung kinsa. Libog istoryasa? So actually kanina episode atong istoryahan ang story ni Ben Common na iyang gikontra ang iyang kaugalingon.
Hi, this is Owen and this is Imoha Podcast.
Before ta magsugod, atong paminawon atong mga sponsors. Episode of Imoha Podcast are now available in YouTube and Spotify, and also please consider Imoha Podcast Facebook page and Instagram for more information and readable contents. We encourage our audience to just listen to podcasts when you don't have time to watch it, but you have the option to wear your earphones. Magluto, manglimpyo, manglaba, magkaon, mag-inusara, kanina podcast para sa Imoha. I'll see you there. Iyang tinod pangalan, Ben Common. He is a runner. Sayo pa lang sa buntag, mudagan na siya. Kadlawon pa lang, mugikan na siya silang balay, pabalanggid mudagan. At that time, he was 18 years old. Pero siya ang klaseng tao na ganahan mudagan bisag naglisod og lakaw. Kung kabalo mo, Ben Common has a cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy, or CP, is a group of permanent movement disorder that appears in early stage of childhood. The signs of symptoms sa niya depende sa tao o depende sa kung unsa kadugayon. But often the symptoms na siya sa poor coordination, poor balance, stiff muscles or weak muscles. Ano say mukuwag pag nilang tiil or ilahang mga kamot or ilahang mga muscles o ilaha pag ginangguyuran ang ilang tiil. Makaingon ang ubang tao na clumsy gini siyang tawhana. And sometimes naman sila problema about sensation, about vision, about hearing, usay maglisod na sila tulon, usay maglisod pag gini sila sultino. But as of the moment, there's no cure for cerebral palsy. Si Ben Common, dili na siya mudagan para lang gid malipay or dili na siya mudagan para lang mag-exercise. Ben is running to compete. Ben is a member of the cross-country team in Hana High School. Dili normal track ang iyang daganan. Usay na mga batuon, na mga lapok, na mga sagbot, na mga buntod ug uban pa no.
Even if someone says, no, I can't, I like to be able to go, yes, I can. It used to really bother me to have people saying, oh, look at that funny walking kid. Now, they can say all they want. I'm still gonna do what I do.
Atong sa gamay pa siya, ang ihalang yung ganahan is to be part of the team. So, atong pag 8th grade niya or second year in high school nato no sa ato ang old educational system. So, ang iyang mama gitawagan tong coach and then gipangutan kung okay ra ba si Ben mo apil sa team, sa cross country team.
I said, no problem, bring him on. And she told me that you know, he had a condition, and I told her, I said, don't worry, we'll take care of him.
I was just really considered part of the team. Nobody looked at me weird or said, what's he doing here? They all were just like, coach, come on, let's go.
Kalabanan siyang teammate. So, sa ka-course, makahuman na siya mga 20 minutes. But Ben Common, makahuman na siya within 40 to 45 minutes. Maabot ugid sa point na mahuman na lang ang tanan siya, wala paghihapon. Iyang mga kauban na abot na sa finish line pero siya wala paghihapon. Sahay siya na lang isa sa mingaw na dalan na ang dalan pa gyud na isa mga buntod, na isa mga bato, na isa lawom sa mga kahoy no.
It's sometimes hard to keep going when I'm all by myself. I get nervous sometimes out on courses that what's going to happen if I fall and can't get up again, or if something happens, what am I going to do? Because I do sometimes get lonely.
O kung kabalo mo, wala pa din siya kadaog. Ni isa ka competition, wala pa nakadaog si Ben. Pero si Ben, makadaog na siya if makabit siya sa iyang time.
Ben's one of the most competitive kids I've ever seen. You've got to be competitive to almost never beat anybody, to constantly try to beat your time. And that's what Ben wants to do. He wants to beat his time.
Naabot sa point na magadagma gina siya no, na yung mga bato, na yung mga dagko ka na siya pangus, dagko ka na siya samad no. Pero si Ben, ning graduate siya sa Hana High School, nanagapan siya sa team, sa cross country team.
What are you gonna miss most about it?
Being part of the team, having all my friends there.
Actually, kanina lesson, this is not about unsa ka determinado ang usa ka tawo or like ni Ben nga paano gyud siya ka-determine sa iyang mga gusto, no? Well, obvious kayo daghan kay mga taong determinado sa ilahang kinabuhi kung unsa ilang gusto about goal settings. Daghan kay mga success stories even nasa Olympics, nasa Hollywood, nasa military, o nasa business, no? But the hidden lesson of this story is about the coach. Coach Chuck Parker. Kung ikaw ang klaseng coach na ganahan lang mo daog ang imong team, dili nimo kuwaon si Ben Coleman. Mao ni makapildi sa inyong team. But Coach Parker, lahi siya. Kapila na siya nakakita mga maayo na mga player and daghan kay mga hardworking player, but lahi si Ben Coleman pa siya, ha.
It's tough. Just seeing a kid that's that motivated, that wants it so bad, it gets you pretty emotional. I'd have to admit, and I've never admitted to anybody, I've shed a tear.
Itagaan yung chance si Ben to be part of the team, and panagsara kay mga tao panagsara kay mga coach na mukuhag mga non-skilled team member para sa iyang team. It's just the burden of the team na lang. Mo na siya kanang baga mo na gidrag, mo na makapapildi sa team. But Chuck Parker, he is a real leader. Iyang nakita is the attitude of Ben Coleman, dili ang skills ni Ben Coleman. And this is how he create a great team, a great environment, and a great culture.
Come on, Ben, you're looking at 41.
The second lesson about this story is about the new competition. Kung ikaw ang klaseng tao na mo compete just because you want to win against your competitor, then walay mo tabang nimo. I know, mas nindit yun usahay na tanaw na to ato ang mga competition, no? Or tanaw na to ato ang mga competitor para kabaluta if it's really worth it pag gini siya nga challenge or worth it pag gini siya nga struggle, no? But si Ben, lahi. So atong panahon na si Ben siya na lang isa ang magdagan sa mingaw na dalan, na iyang mga kauban na human na abot na sa finish line, ning balik pagdagan iyang team para sa iyaha. Meaning, dili sila ganahan na napay mauwahi nilang kauban.
I feel very, very blessed to know that everybody's so willing to come back, because I know they're all tired because they've already run their race. And I just feel happy knowing that they're willing to be there and they're watching out for me.
Kabalo kita, running is just an individual sports. Unlike basketball, unlike football, unlike volleyball, no? Those are the team sports. But running, normally, pwede pag ikaw na mudagan lang. But this is a different team. Kabalo sila na naisa sa ilang mga kauban na ganahan lang mudagan na kontraho nila ilang kaugalingon. Dili tungod kay nasli competitor.
What did running give you that you wouldn't have gotten any other way?
Gave me a place to belong. Place I could say that I'm supposed to be.
Kung ikaw ang klaseng tao na ganahan lang mo daog mo ginakay kontra, wala mo tabang nimo. Pero kung ikaw ang klaseng tao na ganahan lang mo kontra sa imong kaugalingon, then for sure dagan kay mo tabang sa imo, ha. So the reason why I share this story is actually I just want you to keep this story in your own personal storybook, because sooner or later you will have your fights in your life. Na sa itong problema, dagko o gagmay, usahay mo buo, usahay dugay. And this story will remind you of something. Nakabalo kita na magkasamad-samad ta along the way, magkapangus-pangus ta, and maagian na to ng mga buntod, mga lapok, sagbot, ug mga batuon ug patag na dalan. Pero by the time na tabangan na to itong kaugalingon, nabagi mo tabang sa atuwa, basta kabalo sila kung unsa atong rason. Usahay, subra kayo kung mga tagtabang sa mga taong dili ganahan mo tabang sa atuwa. Pero nag-usahay na wala taga-expect sa mga tao nga motabang sa atuwa. And sila panood ako kay tabang. From now on, let's try to challenge ourselves, and let's always start from within. And maybe we can beat our own success. Di na tapos tong episode, and before I end this episode, as always, let me leave you this thought that don't treat your opponents as competitors, treat them as like your playmates. Salamat yung pagpaminaw. I love you all. Take care, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.